clear tu te chibayule sarkar Hnaruak hrang en ho le ila Excise and Narcotics Department Hnaruak en masaberila Excise and Narcotics Constable post somle panga arwaka nikum kumsang nile som nile palia khan post pakwa anlo la to bokani tuntuma hian post somle panga anla donani hlohi pe level 2 singkha sangkwa zakwa tanga singruk sang thumle zahni inkar ani dona class 10 pass HSLC pass computer thiam triple CMO achung lam thiam na neitan adil theidona Mizoram middle school chin tal zirkha anni turani bokani kumsom pariata tanga somthumle panga inkar ta na dil theidona keni tribal STSC tan somli thlengai na thiamna awm donani nalak dan tura hian physical measurement ama saberanga physical test omlenga written exam le personal interview te awm donani physical measurement a hian sanzong haita mipa 160 cm chu 5.24 feet vel ania meichia 155 cm feet nga vel ani donani ombor chest a hianin mipa 84 cm meichia 75 cm expansion a hian om ti lena khan mipa 89 cm meichia 77 cm ti thei angai donani physical test high jama mipa 108 cm meichia 80 cm long jump mipa 308 cm meichia 222 cm race tama 100 meter race mipa 15 second meichia 18 second 1 km race hian mipa 5 minutes meichia 8 minutes thlenman angai donani written exam ve thung paper pahni paper 1 le 2 om dona mark zali total mark ani donani MCQ ve kani dona essay writing ti lo chu MCQ ve kani donani paper 1 a hian GK le English mark za ve mark zahni ani dona paper 2 simple arithmetic le computer knowledge mark za ve mark zahni ti chuan vain mark zali ani donani personal interview 50 marks ombokang deal dan tur deal na form hi Commissionerate of Excise and Narcotics khatla aizola le district hrang kan omna district hrang Excise and Narcotics office ate lak chua le form hi submit thei ani donani deal na form kan thelu rual hian physical test card lak chua ngal turani donani deal na form hi office kal kherlo pon Excise and Narcotics Department website excise.mizoram.gov.in PDF kha download thei ani bokani application fee cheng sathum pek ngal turanianga last date chu May thale May ni somle paruk thleng ani donani inbuatsaihna te tan Excise Constable deal du tele exam inbuatsaihna te tan zero tur question hlui le solve important question du te tan ka website www.kamliana.in kan lo entry donia website link chu video description a hian a omani panhina chuanin Labor Employment Department Mizoram Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board waya Hnaruak awmte District Facilitator Post Pasari Arwaka contract anghet lo ani donani hlohi skill 1 rate ani dona nikhata cheng za sarile somthum an hlo donani chu approximating thlakata sing ni sangkhat le zakwa vel ani donani class 12 pass computer thiamna DCMO CCMO neitan adil thei dona typing speed 30 watts per minute thiam angai bokani Mizoram middle school chintal kha zir angai bokani deal du tan deal na form hi Mizoram Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board website bocw.mizoram.gov.in atangin le Office of the Secretary Office Mizoram Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board Multipurpose Center Mineko khatla aizola te lak chua thei ani aizola an office avek hianin submit le tur ani application fee hi cheng zale somnga STSC tan anianga tin general tan cheng zahni ani donani nalak tan tura hian written exam personal interview om dona exam hun le mun written exam syllabus te hi an website ta anon ta lang le donani kan lo nga event donia last day chu May ni somle pathum ani donani pathumna chuanin Mizoram Legislative Assembly Secretariat Hnaruak en leila assistant post pakhat regular ani dona tin 4th grade group D post patni hi chu PE ani dona alanghet lo ani donani lo hi assistant pay level 7 singthum sangkwa le za tanga singria sangruk le zaria tin kar an hlonga 4th grade group D hianin sing khat sang khat zakwa le som kwa an hlo phot don ani a nget lo wala ni wangin a nge ma chuanin 50% of pay level 1 an hlonga a nge nuwa chuanin pay level 1 full salary sing khat sang sari zali tanga sing tum sang re le zarukin kar kha an hlo thei don ani assistant deal tur chuanin graduate to phota na dil thei dona computer thiamna DCMO CCMO nei angai don ani 4th grade deal tur chuanin class 8 pass Mizoram Middle School standard chin thiam tan adil thei don ani na hi kum som pariat changa somthum le panga in kar tan adil thei dona keini tribal STSC tan kum som li thleng ngai na thiam na awm don ani application form lak chuan hmun tur chu establishment section Mizoram Legislative Assembly Secretariat Khatla New Capital Complex Aizola ani dona hemi hmuna vek hianin submit le tur ani don ani nalak dan tura hian assistant bika written exam le personal interview dona general English marks arithmetic 50 marks GK 100 marks teen interview 50 marks ani don ani 4th grade group D hian personal interview chi akha awm don ani exam hun le mun personal interview nei hun tu chu Mizoram Legislative Assembly Secretariat website lama khan anon ta lang le dona kan lo ngai vendonia form man hi cheng za le somnga STSC tan anianga general tan chuan cheng sahni ani don ani April ni somni le panga last date ani don ani April ni somni le panga ma ngeya submit tur ani don ani palina chuan education and human resource development middle school section Lai Autonomous District Council waya Hnaruak awmte group D regular anghetin post patni arwaka hlohi pay level 1 sing khat sang sari zali tanga sing thum sang riat le zaruk inkar ani don ani class 8 pass chin Lai Mizo Middle School standard chin thiam ta na dil thenga kumsom pariat tanga somthum panga inkar STSC tan kumsom li thleng ngai na thiam na awm don ani deal tu chu Lai district chu cheng achianna tana an omna khuwa VC hena residential certificate nei ani turani dilna form hi education and human resource development middle school section Lai Autonomous District Council office longtlaya lak chwa hem huna vek hianin submit le tur ani donani nalak dan tura hian group D hi interview chi ani donani mei ni somni le pani sahni le somni panga a interview nei turani a interview nei na mun tu chu education and human resource development middle school section office chambara ani donani document thil tel turte class 8 and above certificate kan neyang angte birth certificate le residential certificate te ani donani pangana chuanin Lai Autonomous District Council education and human resource development primary school section waya Hnaruak te primary school teacher somle paruk arwaka somle paruk zinga hian post pali hi absorption manga lak tur ani donani lo hi pay level 6 singthum sanga zali atanga sing sari sangre zariat chu undergraduate hotan ani dona tin graduate hotan chuanin pay level 8 singli sangli zakwa tanga singkwa sangkwa le zariat in kar kha an pay ani donani deal theite class 12 pass chin DLED neitan adil the dona mizo tong emo lai tong primary middle school standard chin thiam tan adil the don ani kumsom pariat atanga somthum panga inkar tan adil thenga STSC tan kumsom li thlengai na thiam na awm don ani deal na form lang na mun tur chu Lai Autonomous District Council Education and Human Resource Development Primary School Section top floor main building secretariat ta ani don ani hemi hmuna vek hian form hi submit le tur ani don ani deal na thelu thei hun hi last date January ni somni le pani sang ni somni le panga ti ani a amai ro chu April ni somni le pathum sang ni le somni le panga thlengatan po sei ani le ani last date chu April ni somni le pathum ani don ani application form man hi cheng zahni ani anga nalak dan tura hian written exam le interview om don ani written exam syllabus le share tu poi mo de chu office a zo fi thei ani don bokani kan lo nga event cheu don nia